Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial for CZ Tuts. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a robot in Maya and render in V-Ray. So here's the result. We're going to create this. So let's get started. First of all, in Maya, go to Polygons, Sphere, and create one sphere. Press 5 to shade it, and then go to Channel Box, Polysphere, and change its subdivision axis to 10 and subdivision height to 10. So we're going to use a low poly. So first of all, if we see in our final image, we have this line over here. It's I just model it. It's not used textured. So I'm going to model that and teach you how to create that. So for that, let us rotate it 90° in x-axis, then go to edit mesh, interactive split tool. So we're just going to create this curved segments in the sphere. If you look at it, we don't have any that kind of curve segments, so that's what we're going to create. So just click here, and then right click. Similarly down here, and the same way to the backward. Click here. Okay, now we're going to delete some edges. So right click edge, select this one, yes, delete, and even down also. Okay, delete, and even at the back. Okay, we are in the edge mode, no problem. Delete, anyway at the back, no. Okay, delete. Now if you go to vertex mode, you have a couple of vertex left over here. Just select all the vertices and just delete them. So you can see that those extra vertices are gone now. So if you press 3 key on your keyboard, that's for subdivision, you can see that we have got this nice curved segments. So that's what we want. So go to polygon mode. I mean to say press 1 key, then go to edit mesh, interactive edge loop, and just make another loop right over here. Now let's again select this edge, control right click, and edge ring utility to edge ring, to edge ring, and then again control right click to faces, Okay, now go to edit mesh, extrude. We're going to pull it inward, so a little bit, and that'll do. Okay, that's okay. So if we press 3 key now, we have little smooth turns, but we want little hard edges over here, so we're going to add some segments. Go to edit mesh, insert edge loop, sorry, just like this over here. One, so sorry, one out here, one again in here, and another one out here. Okay, that's it. Object mode, press 3. So here we are. We're almost done with our sphere, but if you see, the edges are a little not too good. It's not completely sphere. So I'm going to select the object, right click, paint sculpt. We're going to do some sculpting. Be sure that your opacity is at pretty low. um, Max displacement is also at pretty low, and use the push, and then just uh, oh sorry, I just forgot to smooth it out, so let us do that first. Object mode, go to mesh, smooth, and again mesh, smooth. Be sure that for using this sculptor you need lots of polygons or segments. Right click, paint and sculpt. So again check the settings, push. I'm sorry, I'm having some problem with this. It's not working. Okay, let me. Okay, no problem then. We can use some other techniques as well. Go to vertex, uh, attribute, object mode, attribute editor, smooth face, and division level to 0. That will do. And then go to vertices, select few vertices over here, like this. Press B to on the soft selection. Again press B and middle mouse to drag a radius selection to about this. Just press it inward. So that'll do. And even on this side as well. Okay, that's it. It's not. Go to Asia, select all, and deselect. Okay, that's it. Let us do smooth once again. That's it. Now let us create this let's say the mouth of the robot or eye of the robot. For that we are going to create polygon pipe. Just drag it out and just make it pretty big. We are going to adjust its settings later on. Go to channel box, poly pipe, and then just play around with some thickness and radius. Again, thickness out there. We don't need to hide too much. Subdivision, it will do it 20. Let us go ahead and position it. Rotate 90 degree on your x-axis. Move it. Let us go to some other view and just position it. I think it's pretty big, so let us make few adjustment more. Thickness down. I think that will do. A little more in. I think it's gonna work pretty good, but I don't like the thickness. Let me decrease it to 0.2. Okay, 0.3. That'll do. Now select the poly pipe and then right click, go to edges, select the corners. Okay, and go to edit mesh bevel. I always like the hard corner edges as beveled, so 2 segments, and then play around with some offsets. Just try to get some good result, so it's alright, or just let's use only 1 segment. That'll be good, I think. Yeah. Okay, now we can just duplicate this, Control D, and go to this mode, just move it a little bit down here, just scale it down and just pull it a little front. and again control to duplicate it, move it side. So let us move it a little bit upward and a little bit out. Okay, that's it. So we are done with the face part. So quickly let's go to creating the leg of the robot. So I'm going to use my pre-made reference. I mean to say, I'll just keep we'll be switching back to this image and Maya just to have a reference, so it will be quick. So let's get started with the leg. First of all, we are going to create this part. So for that, oh sorry, oh sorry. Okay, for that, let's go ahead and create a box. You can just create each and every part in the side and just manage it later on. Scale it out. Mm, if you see, it's little turned around. Let's add a segment. Whatever you like, you can create. Just go ahead and uh, go ahead with your imagination. There's no any rules to make. Whatever I make, you can do whatever you like. You are free over here. Something like this. Okay, and then just add a cylinder over here. Decrease the height. Like this. Go ahead, select two faces, edit mesh, extrude, and just decrease the size. This one. Then again press G key to use extrude once again, and just press it inward. I think that's it. This much will do. Let us combine these two. Combine. Okay, it's done. Now similarly, let's go ahead to next part, and that's this joint. For that, just box will do. You can always adjust this later on. No, there's no so. A little bit height more. Okay, that's okay. For this one as well, I'm going to select edges and do a quick bevel. Uh, just it's doing bevel is just an extra part that's not necessary, just to make it look a little more interesting. Okay, and even in this cylinder as well. Okay, that's it. Let's go ahead, edit mesh, and then bevel. Okay, that will do. And even for this one, is select all the edges, edit mesh, bevel. 0.3. That's alright. Object mode. Now we have this one over here. Just let your imagination flow in this part. Go ahead and create something more interesting than mine. Okay. Scale it down. Add few segments using insert edge loop. So this is insert edge loop tool is a really handy tool. very important for the modeling. Most of the modeling it's required. Just this part as well. I just made few adjustments. Edit mesh, insert edge loop. Select the face down here, and then extrude. Okay. Now let me just select all the faces up here. Okay, let's not do this one. Edit mesh, extrude. This one a little more side, and then press G key again to do the extrude once more, and just push it down. Now go to edges. One more time. I'm going to do a quick bevel. So sorry. Hmm. Select all the corner edges. You don't need to select other edges because it's useless. There will be no any effect. Okay, just select all the corner edges, even this one. Last few. Okay, now go to edit mesh, bevel. That's okay. Okay, now the down part, that's quite similar to that one. So for now I'm going to just duplicate it. You can go ahead and create something new, but I'm just using the same tool. Just scale it out a bit. Go ahead and play with some vertices. Just pull this back this way. Just scale it to match up. Bit aside again this way. So in this way you can create something